kitchen verbs.
He grates the cheese. I poured milk into the bowl. I would like to eat grilled meat. They put 3 layers of cake. For the recipe, you need to melt the butter. The food needs a pinch of salt. We want to eat scrambled eggs. This is the best time to serve the dinner. The food is simmering. I had been slicing food for 2 hours. I spread the jam to my bread. I didn't stir the ingredients enough. Tom tasted the soup before serving it. You can add cinnamon to your favorite cookies. We love cakes that you bake. I enjoy blending different flavors. Be careful, milk boils very fast. We were breading in the morning. He's bringing meat to the meeting. I love frying potatoes. She dipped potato fries into the sauce. My finger while I was cooking. I hate to chop vegetables.